Okay, so we discussed about what is force and what are the effects of forces. Now we are just going to learn something called types of forces. Okay, we'll learn one by one. So you're seeing a ball is coming down, okay, from the air, just hitting the ground. Okay, and again it's going to bounce back. That is nothing but the gravitational force. Okay, it is a force which attracts objects to the center of the earth. Okay, just take a ball, okay, and just put it down. Will it float or it will just hit the ground? Obviously it will just hit the ground. Okay, why? Because of the gravitation power, gravitational force. Okay, the force is pushing the ball down. Okay, it is not going to allow the ball to fly away or float in the air. It just pushing the ball to hit on the ground, or it will bounce it back. Okay, until the force is there. Once the force is just goes down, the ball will just fall to the ground. Okay, we have a person called Newton who just came up with this force called gravitational force. Like once he was sitting under an apple tree, it just fell on his head, and he was like, how it's just falling from top, like from the tree to down, how it got just hit the earth. Okay, might be some force, and what the force is, it's nothing but the gravitational force. Okay, so gravitational force or gravity is the force that attracts objects to the center of the earth, that is nothing but the to the ground level. If you throw a ball up, it just comes down after some time because of the gravity. It is the earth's gravity that keep us and all other objects on the earth to the ground. So just imagine there is no gravitational force over here. What will be happening? Everything will be floating. Okay, none of the objects or even we human beings will not be placed on the ground. We will be just floating in the atmosphere. Okay, that is what a gravitational force is. Next is magnetic force. I know everyone would have played with this. Even nowadays, even now, okay, when I get two magnets, I just place one magnet in front of the other, and I'll just I'll just make it to attract, okay, so that they come and just hit. I'll just take it to some objects that is made up of iron. I'll just try to hit it off over there, okay, with the magnet. Okay, how a magnet is going to get attracted to a piece of iron, okay, to your, even we have when we go for like for tour or somewhere, nowadays you get something called a fridge magnet. Okay, so you just get it and you just like place it on the refrigerator. Okay, how the magnet is getting attracted to that piece of iron? Nothing but a force. And what the force is called? Nothing but magnetic force or magnetism. Force exerted by the magnet on metals such as iron and nickel. Okay, magnets will not go and get attracted to a plastic or a rubber because they don't have the magnetism. Okay, magnets will get attracted only to the ones that are magnetic in nature, like for iron and nickel. Okay, so magnetic force or magnetism is the force which a magnet attracts, okay, such as iron or a piece of nickel. Magnet may also repel each other with the help of magnetic force. That's what we have, something called north pole and south pole in a magnet, in a bar magnet. Okay, north and south pole will attract. Okay, north and north pole won't attract, they'll just repel. Repel means they won't attract, they just go away from each other. Okay, that is what you call it as magnetic force.